So an eagle just flew over and dropped a live trout from the lake, which is literally maybe 100 feet that way, into our field. And I took it back to our pond and released it, but it immediately went belly up. And so having worked on a fishing boat for 4 years, I know that if you put them in and they go belly up, then they're not gonna make it anyway. So it's not a huge fish, but I figured I hate wasting a life, so let's make some dinner. The first thing that we wanna do is bleed it out. We wanna give it a quick and relatively painless death, so we wanna cut its gills. Hang it here and let it bleed out for just a second. This dinner brought to you by Freedom. It's been eating some shrimp. Oh, howdy boy, stop that. Silly little goose. This is basically your glorified roadkill, but I'm totally okay with it. It's so good! Abby, one piece. It's pretty good, huh? Is that good?